Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study anatomy for FCPs. The FCPs Part 1 examination is a crucial step, testing your foundational knowledge across several basic medical sciences. Anatomy is a significant component, encompassing gross anatomy, neuroanatomy, and embryology. The exam features 2 papers, each containing 100 multiple-choice questions. You must achieve at least 75% in each paper to successfully pass this stage. Selecting the right resources is paramount for effective anatomy preparation. Snell's Clinical Anatomy by Regions is excellent for detailed understanding, while Netter's Atlas provides invaluable visual aids for image-based questions. High-yield notes and past papers are essential for identifying frequently tested concepts. Additionally, First Aid for USMLE Step 1 offers concise, high-yield information, particularly beneficial for embryology and neuroanatomy topics. Effective study techniques transform how you learn anatomy. Instead of passive reading, actively recall information by quizzing yourself often. Drawing diagrams and creating concept maps helps visualize intricate structures and their relationships. Always connect anatomical facts to clinical scenarios to enhance understanding and retention. Focus your efforts on high-yield topics and recurring themes identified from previous examinations for maximum efficiency. Consistent practice and thorough revision are vital for success. Solve numerous multiple-choice questions from diverse sources to familiarize yourself with question styles. Carefully analyze past papers to pinpoint common themes and question patterns. Ensure regular revision of all anatomical regions, including gross anatomy, neuroanatomy, and embryology. Collaborating in study groups can also help clarify difficult concepts and reinforce your understanding.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.